Rumchata is delicious, but not keto or low-carb friendly. So to make it so, we begin with a jigger and 2 ounces of unsweetened almond milk. This he pours into a pint glass, then reaches for his keto simple syrup, video linked below. He adds 1.5 ounces of the very viscous sweet nectar. This is the allulose version of the simple syrup, and he follows it up with a tablespoon of heavy cream. Then it's time for tree bark, a heaping 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Well, maybe a bit more. He also adds a pinch of salt, and he will be using a clean white rum. You could use vodka, but he's running out, and it is Rumchata after all. 2 ounces into the glass. Nutmeg contains myristicin, which if consumed in large quantities, is poisonous. However, he only needs a sprinkle, but precautions are taken. He grates a very small amount of the king spice over the glass, and cleans, because ants. He attempts to use a whisk to mix the cocktail, but the whisk is a bit too large. So he uses the Jason method, i.e. a chopstick. He merely wants to give it a quick taste to ensure that it is to his liking, which it is. In slow motion, he powerfully cracks some dihydrogen monoxide, which has been frozen to make clear ice. He then adds it to a highball glass, which he sets aside, and using a metal shaker tin like this one, he adds a cocktail with regular ice, gives it a good dump, and shakes. And that is a stunt double. After 10 seconds, he sets it down and for once in his life, easily uncaps it. Using a Boston strainer, he then pours the ice-cold Rumchata into the glass. This can be consumed neat, on the rocks, or used in other cocktails. He adds an environmentally safe straw, or at least tries to, as he fights with Titanic killers. And for his preference, he tops it with cold coffee, for a nice coffee-style Rumchata. So if you believe low-carb food should be delicious, like and comment down below what your favorite warm weather cocktail is. And until next time, eat well and drink responsibly.